Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. First, check your Ubuntu release and make sure you have sudo rights. This matters because disabling a firewall requires elevated permissions. Once done, query the firewall state with sudo afterward status verbose so you know if it's active. If you're connected remotely, you must plan to avoid being locked out. For example, keep a local session or temporary rule to permit SSH. Make sure to proceed deliberately to avoid interrupting services you rely on. You will now perform the central commands to turn off the firewall safely. First, allow SSH traffic with sudo afterward allow 22/TCP if you manage the machine remotely. This prevents accidental lockout. Then run sudo afterward disable and read the confirmation. This command flips the UFW policy off but does not remove rules. Once disabled, verify with sudo afterward status verbose and cross-check with sudo iptables L to ensure kernel-level chains reflect the change. If necessary, repeat commands with sudo for proper privileges. You finish by ensuring the change is deliberate and reversible. To prevent UFW from restarting automatically, mask and stop it with sudo systemtool mask now afterward. Service. This makes the disabled state persistent. If you need the firewall again, simply run sudo afterward enable and confirm rules. If you run into trouble, such as losing remote access, recover via the machine console, cloud provider recovery mode, or by restoring a temporary, allow rule for SSH. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep one recovery path before disabling the firewall.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.